Number 2 favorite exercise for collecting cheeks, hip thrusts. Seated upright against your pad or bench, line the bottom of your shoulder blades with the edge of the bench. Roll the bar over you with the crack of the pad pointed up.
Yes, family.
Walk your feet in. If you're a little thicker, you can adjust further once the bar is off the ground. In extension, the ankles should be stacked under the knees. Maintain tension in the core by keeping the ribs connected to the hips. Hinge at the hips, then emphasize on driving both the shoulders and heels straight down until the hips reach extension. Avoid picking up the bar with the elbows on the bench, as this can lead to shoulder injury. Avoid pushing away from the bench, as this will cause tension to shift to the quads. For some, simply dorsiflexing the feet can help mitigate this fault. Avoid losing tension in the core and allowing the pelvis to tilt. I call this magic Mike thrusting. Keep in mind the main function of the glutes is hip extension. And if the pelvis is moving, that means the other muscles around the spine are working.